Welcome to tip1 Custom Designs, where we're going to be working today, continuing to work on our bear caddy. So we're going to showcase this guy here, the bear caddy, along with the open my bottle unit. Cap's going to drop right down into there. These are really handsome. These are also in there rough. So. But today we want to share a little bit of a tip. So we have to make a lot of repeated cuts. So we have to notch this out because the handle is going to go in here. And so we set up a simple logical jig, 2 fences and a stop block. So we're going to go ahead and demo that for you. Can't say enough about jigs that help you get the work done quickly and efficiently. So let's go ahead and grab one of our boards. Alright, so essentially we should have achieved this here. And that's the tip. That's the tip of the day. Thanks for watching tip1 Custom Designs. Please share your tips. We'd love to hear them. And by the way, come on down to Woodstock, New York, June 3rd. And we're having our very first show down there with some other friends. And they're going to be selling their stuff. It's going to be very exciting to see you guys there. Thank you, customers, by the way, for your orders. We're working fast to get them done, but safely. Thanks. God bless.